Welcome to RBL. Today guys, we're going to be going over the Pineapple Survival Kit. Very simple container kit here. I picked it up in my local store, it had some pineapple in it, and I reused it. Yeah. Cool little box. Pop the top here. Usually add some silicone or something like that. Some kind of little adhesive. Maybe something that's not too strong. And you have a nice sealed up kit. Right on top, we have our tin foil. We can use this for cooking, signaling, or even having a dry dry surface to start a fire. We also have a clipper lighter with some duct tape around it. The idea of this is you rip off a strand of the duct tape, you light it, and it just makes the fuel last longer. We also have some snare wire for cordage, shelter making, stuff like that, even gear repair. We also have some 550 paracord. This is about 4 to 3 feet of it. You have all these mini little strands. We have a UST or UTS water activated towelette. This is one of the large ones, so you go ahead and wipe down your whole body with this, filter out a good amount of water with it, or even use it for first aid. We have 2 hard mints, just to give you a little bit of a boost, as well as 2 packets of Heinz mustard, as well as another boost, and it can be used as an antibiotic as well. Another source of fire starting, we have some UCO stormproof matches. These are great for starting fires in moist environments, especially up north, where it's mostly always wet. Here, for signaling, we have the Acme survival whistle, or tornado whistle, a little keychain. Acme whistles are great. Love them. They have a great site. Look up Acme tornado whistles. Awesome stuff. For water purification, we have some tablets here and our little USD capsule. For cutting, we have our American Eagle Swiss Army knife. Got our can opener, bottle opener, screwdriver, main blade, as well as our backup blade. On this side, we have our corkscrew and our awl, as well as a toothpick and a pair of tweezers. Great little tool. Can give you a little bit of advantage when fire starting and you don't have your matches. You used all your matches. We have some cotton balls here in a sealed plastic container. Make sure no moisture gets in. We have 2 water containment bags, 2 basic Ziplocs, using trash ties to tie them up. For navigation, we have our button compass. Another source of fire, we have a ferro rod with a striker, all tied up, ready to go. And to keep us warm and for cover, we have our Mylar survival blanket, wrapped up like a burrito. Very compact, very cool way to put them in the kits. Honestly, I like this way the best, it just keeps it the most compact. And that is the kit, guys. You can use a container for water or whatever, put the rest of the stuff in your pockets, or a collection or anything like that. And yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments. Thank you guys for watching the video. Hopefully you guys are gonna be interested in the content coming up here soon. I don't know if you guys have seen the shorts, but we are working on a pretty cool project, so stay tuned for that. Thank you guys for watching the video. Support the channel. Have an amazing day.